Hey, what's up designers? If you are like me, then you've probably faced the challenges of working in interior design. First, there is the expense of getting a high-performance laptop or PC. Then you've got to learn a bunch of softwares like 3ds Max and SketchUp for modeling, V-Ray and Corona for rendering, Photoshop for post-production, AutoCAD, and the list goes on and on. And let's not forget the endless hours waiting for those renders to finish. Sounds familiar? Yeah, it's a lot. But what if I told you there is a way to cut all that stress together in half or even eliminate it altogether? Well, today I've got something super exciting to share. It's called Coohom, and I've partnered with them to bring you the ultimate solution to all the struggles I've just mentioned. Coohom is an all-in-one platform that streamlines the entire interior design process, from 3D modeling to rendering and even producing 2D shop drawings. No more juggling multiple software programs, no more waiting forever for a render, and no more spreadsheets scattered across your desktop. It's all here in one place. Alright, so let's take a closer look at what makes Coohom so powerful for interior designers. First up, let's talk about 3D modeling. Now, we all know that modeling from scratch can be time-consuming, especially when using complex software. With Coohom, you don't need to start from a blank canvas. Coohom platform gives you access to a massive library of pre-made 3D models. From furniture to lighting fixtures and even decor items, you can simply drag and drop these models directly into your project. It's like having an entire warehouse of high-quality assets at your fingerprints. And don't worry about limitations. You can customize each model to fit your exact design needs. I'm talking about material, scale, and orientations. Ever spend an hour looking for that perfect coffee table? Coohom got you covered with their AI-powered furniture matching. It's like having your own personal design assistant. Coohom will suggest furniture and decor pieces that matches your design style, color palettes, or space. This feature saves so much time and helps you find items that really bring your project to life without all the guesswork. Coohom drag and drop models are awesome, but let's take it up a notch. Coohom lets you customize materials and textures beyond what's available in their library. Got a specific fabric texture or unique material in mind, you can upload your textures and apply them directly to your design. Whether you're working with special fabrics, wallpapers, or flooring, this feature gives you total creative control to make each project truly unique. Let's move on to what everyone loves: 3D renders. In traditional workflows, rendering can be a major issue, with some renders taking hours and hours to complete. Coohom has flipped the script on this. Their built-in rendering engine allows you to create high-resolution 3D renders in just a few seconds. That's right, seconds. Whether you need a quick test render to show your client or final one, a polished image for presentation, Coohom handles it with ease. And it's not just static images. Coohom lets you create 360-degree panoramic scenes, which clients can explore interactively. So imagine showing them a full room where they can look around every direction. This takes your presentation to a whole new level. Plus, if you are into animations, Coohom allows you to generate smooth video animations that showcase the flow of a space. After you are done with the 3D design, it's time to get technical. With Coohom, creating detailed 2D drawing is a piece of cake. Once your 3D model is done, you can automatically generate floor plans, elevations, and detailed sections. You can easily add measurements, labels, and even custom notes for your contractors. This is a huge time saver, especially when you need to provide clear and detailed instructions to make sure that the project is executed perfectly. The precision of Coohom's 2D tools means no more worrying about inconsistencies between the 3D model and the 2D drawings. It's all synced up automatically. Let's talk about project management. Once your project is completed, one of the most tedious tasks is creating a bill of quantities for each piece of furniture, materials, and accessories used in the project. Traditionally, you'd spend hours compiling a shopping list manually, cross-checking with suppliers, and calculating costs. Coohom takes this stress out of your shoulders by automatically generating furniture lists and bills of quantities. Everything you've used in your design is categorized, priced, and listed for you. You can even create shopping lists for your clients or suppliers. This not only saves you tons of time, but also reduces the risk of errors or missing items. It's project management made simple. Coohom also have a great feature for teams and remote work called real-time collaboration. With Coohom, you and your team can work on the same projects at the same time, no matter where you are. This makes it super easy to get live feedback from clients, make edits on the fly, and collaborate with contractors or other designers without the usual back and forth of sending files. Everything is synced in real time, so we are always on the same page. Keeping track of pricing and materials can be a headache, but Coohom makes it super simple. The platform offers real-time pricing integration with suppliers. That means you can pull up-to-date pricing for all the furniture and materials you are using in your design, which automatically updates in your project's bill of quantities. No more guessing or manual calculations. Everything is organized and accurate, saving you a ton of time on budgets and codes. Okay, here's where things get next level. Coohom has a built-in augmented reality visualization. This means you can take your 3D designs and actually see them in real-world spaces using a smartphone or tablet. Imagine showing your client how their new furniture will look like in their actual living room, all in real time. It's interactive, immersive experience that goes way beyond static renders or simple walkthroughs. Your client can walk around and experience the space as if it's already finished. How cool is that? Since Coohom is cloud-based, you can access your project anywhere and anytime. Whether you are at home, in office, or on site with your clients, you can log in and continue where you left off. And the best part, you don't need a super high-powered computer for rendering. Everything is processed in the cloud, so your work is safe and you don't worry about slow hardware. And here is the best part. Coohom is super easy to learn. In just a few days, you will be up and running. I'm serious, in just one solid week of learning, I was able to use Coohom in real projects. It's beginner-friendly and perfect for students and professionals who are looking to streamline their workflow. So if you are ready to simplify your design process, stick around because I am going to be posting a series of Coohom tutorials where we are going to design a studio from scratch, taking it all the way from concept to final renders and producing the final documents. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of these tutorials, and especially if you want to see how Coohom can change your design game. Click the link in the description to create your free account, and if you decide to upgrade later, use the code ZK Academy for 70% discount. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.